YouTube. Today's video, we'll be doing the unboxing on the USB handbrake. So, as y'all can see by the title of the video, we will be unboxing the USB handbrake. I can't exactly remember what it called off the rip. Give me 1 second. Put a screenshot of what it's called, but it says that it's compatible with Logitech G27, G29, and G920 T500/300. I have a Logitech G920, Logitech G920, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, it comes with clutch, brake, and gas, and I also have the shit speed 8 shifter that you can buy. See, my goal is to add the handbrake probably here, somewhere in this area to my comfort, because when I'm sitting, I sit like this pretty much, right? So you know, my 8 shifter is like in reach. Could I bring it in closer? Yes, I probably have to sit more to the left so I don't overreach for it, but worst come to shove, I convert this into like a thing I can clamp the clamp on. If so, I clamp my clamp onto that handbrake if I can, but if not, that's what exactly I'm gonna do. I'm gonna convert that to a handle. And yeah, like I said, I am running this on my PC. I was running it on my Xbox One S, and it works good. I mean, I'm running my wheel, not the handbrake. I haven't set that up yet. But I was running the wheel to Xbox first, and then I got a PC, and I'm playing Forza Horizon 5. That's like the only car game that I play, but I also do play other games, but I'm mainly on Forza Horizon 5. Like I said, if y'all want to add me, my gamer tag is right here. Text me that you added me so I can add you back, or also text me on the game that I can read your message and add you back. Okay, so let's get into this video. This unboxing. Box in a box. Yes, it's pre-opened because I had already opened it for my goodbye Camaro video. So, sorry if the lighting is bad. Okay, so this is what it looked like off the rip. This is how they come. It is packaged nice. By the way, I had already opened this to the video I did previous to this. I had already opened it, so this just broke obviously, but it came nice. This was over at the top of it, so it was shipped with care, I can say. This instruction also came here, and I ain't never hooked nothing up like this before. This is my very first time, so this is gonna be an interesting video. I might not put everything in the video, but I will try to walk y'all step by step on getting this bad boy set up and stuff like that. Okay, so from what I could tell, from what it feels like, it probably weighed about 2 pounds, maybe so, 3 pounds. It's not that heavy. It is kind of stiff because I was playing with it as I opened it before, but like that's what it's looking like, and I'm pretty sure it sets up like this or like that. This is my first time seeing something up like this. It's just because I drift a lot. This is a handbrake. I drift a lot, so running clutch and braking gas, I get tired of shit the way A. So back to what I was saying. Okay, come with the clamp. This is the clamp I was telling you that I might clamp here. I might clamp it here. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it, but once I get it figured out, I will let y'all know how I'm gonna run that. So you got your clamps. It looked like it comes with screws, like everything you need to get it clamped. More bolts, and that's pretty much everything. Okay. Right now we're gonna get into the instructions. Oh shoot, I about broke my leg. We're gonna get into the instructions. So as we can see now that it is kind of stiff, so we gonna have to do some adjustments. And yes, I did read it. It told me to have the PC off before I go to plug it in. But, you know, let's try to see if we can get this thing right. I'll stay tuned. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, like, you get pretty much that. I don't know if the camera focusing, and that. That's all the instructions you pretty much have. So let's see how we're gonna figure this out. How we're gonna get it all set up properly. I don't know if this thing, like, if you go to plug it in the game and then you get on, like, Forza, for instance, it like automatic sets it for you. I'm not really sure. I just know it's gonna be interesting. And see. Pretty much, I'm trying to figure out how exactly it works, because it really don't tell you how to do every damn thing, to be honest. Yeah, it really don't tell you how to properly. It don't tell you how to do it. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all guys stay tuned. Okay, so now we're pretty much just I'm not gonna tweak this to tweak the handbrake. What this do, I have no damn clue. But maybe it's some type of slide feature where you can it should go to all that. You can't even, well, you could adjust it. You could move it to that to get it to lock. I guess this, yeah, we gonna bypass that. All right, so you gotta get this right here unscrews. I know that already. It's like the same setup on the rest of my G920 over there. We're gonna swap the camera once we get it all hooked up. I'm gonna try to use my common sense and see how this thing goes. So you want to take this. Like, bro, I really have no fucking clue. I would assume it goes like that. I really do assume that it goes like that. It's hard to tell, but like that, I would assume. And then some screws go on it. With screws, I have no clue. So I'll be right back with y'all when we figure this out. All right, so guys, I eventually got it set up. All right, so let me break something down, right? You know, I was trying to tell y'all how exactly it went, right? How it's supposed to go. You can see that exactly not how that went, right? So let me tell you why it's not gonna work, right? So you see this place right here, supposed to be on top of that, right? They give me the wrong size screws. And let me slide over and show y'all what I mean, right? They give you the wrong screws. See, they give you this, which is too big to go in here. All right, too big. And you know that supposed to go through supposed to go through this right here, right? It's supposed to go through all four corners flush with this. But if I was to try to go put it in, it's not gonna go through because it's too big, right? So they gave me the wrong size screw. All right, back to the screws. So they give you this one, this small screw, which is too big, obviously. Which is too small to go in this hole right here. It's hard to tell because I had to hook it up a different way, pretty much. So the screw is too big to go in the hole, right? The screw it's too small. You know what I'm saying? So what I did here was I took the two back screws. I took the two back holes, right? And then I put a longer screw. I was lucky enough to have one that was actually longer. As you can see here, I do have a small one in. The camera's not focusing. I do have a small screw in which they provided us with. How did I do it like that? Like I said, it's kind of hard to explain, but I had the screw coming in from the bottom up. I could have went down with it, but I was trying something. So once I tried something, I just left it like that. All right, so I was lucky enough to have, they the same size, but I was lucky enough to have this is longer screw for my chair. So I was lucky enough to have two of those laying around. So what I did was I took, because this small, for the way I set mine up, it wouldn't be as tight, but it wouldn't work as efficient as a longer screw. So what I did was I put, like I said, I put the two back holes, line it up with the two holes in the front, matched it up, sent the screw up from the bottom up. So I'm gonna demonstrate it. See how that screw is going up, because like I said, the screw they provided you with is not gonna work, it's not gonna fit. So you got to do it, you got to set it up a different way, or you're gonna have to drill hole through it. But this is gonna be the best way to set it up. So you can use the small screw they provided you with. Like I said, I have a small screw in right there that goes up. I do have a longer screw, but I wanted to wait till I make the video so I can show y'all guys what y'all gonna have to go through, because they're not gonna provide y'all with long enough screws. Okay, so what I did was, like I said, I matched the two back holes up with the two in the front, sent the screw up, which I was lucky enough to have an 1/8 inch, and then just screw it up, or you can screw it down, pretty much. And then what I did was clamp it to my cup holder on my desk. I was lucky enough to have space, so it is up. It's not as stable, but it get the job done. So yeah, if I had to rate it, I would give it a 5 out of 10. Why? Because they give you the wrong screws, the wrong size screws, to be exact. They give you the wrong size. They don't tell you exactly how to do it, and you pretty much have to figure out how to do it yourself. But like I said, I gave y'all the rundown how to hook it up. You just have to have something to clamp it to. Like, remember the clamp I was telling you about? This is clamped to my cup holder, which is connected to the desk. So it's like a piece like that. It's clamped on the bottom, screw it tight. Like I said, they get the job done. It don't work as, it ain't as stable, but it does work. So yeah, I hope this video helped y'all guys to get this thing hooked up and figure out. Like I said, if I had to rate, it'd be a 5 out of 10. So if y'all want to see some gameplay, because it do work fine. If y'all want to see some gameplay, comment down below. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.